Hi, my name is Roland down here with Generation Kia in beautiful Sayville, New York. Directly in front of me here, we have a 2020 Kia Sorento. So why don't we go ahead and take a closer look. The interior of the Sorento SX is packed with innovation. Let's elaborate on the camera system that's in the Sorento SX that's going to include the bird's eye view camera. The easiest way to activate the bird's eye camera is going to be by simply putting the vehicle in reverse. At that point, on the screen directly in front of you, it's going to show the rear camera along with the 360 camera all the way around you. And if you touch the buttons up here, it's going to change it to where you can look at the left-hand side or the right-hand side of the outside of your vehicle utilizing the cameras. Additionally, with the camera system, as soon as I switch from reverse down to drive, it's going to switch from the reverse camera to the forward-facing camera at 12 miles an hour or below. Let's talk about Apple CarPlay for a minute. One of my favorite features is Siri. I love to take Siri on the road with me because she helps me with directions, texting, phone calls, and much more. One of the quickest ways to access Siri is through the button on the steering wheel on the left-hand side. Call Chris Castle.
Calling Chris Castle. Hello?
Hello. How are you doing?
Good. How are you, Roland?
Doing excellent. Nice to speak to you today. And it's that easy. You can also use Siri for directions as well. Same button. Navigate to Generation Kia.
Getting directions to Generation Kia.
And it's as simple as that. You can even respond to a text message utilizing Siri as well with the same button. Read my last text message.
Chris said hi. I just saw you driving a 2020 Sorento. Looks so nice.
Another useful feature on the Sorento SX is going to be the auto hold, and how we're going to access that is it's only going to be in drive, and we're going to go ahead and push the button. At that point, we can actually completely let our foot off the brake. One of the best ways that this is going to be utilized for is when we're at a stoplight, and if you don't want to hold your foot on the brake the entire time, just go ahead and hit the auto hold button and it'll hold the vehicle for you until you step on the throttle. The features don't stop there on the Sorento SX. You're also going to have heated leather seats, panoramic sunroof, and then power driver and passenger seats. To learn more about the 2020 Kia Sorento SX, please visit us at generationkia.com where you can shop your way.